Ramadan is a month of forgiveness. This first Ashara is of forgiveness. Allah forgives people, and so should we forgive people. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that forgive people, for don't you like that Allah should forgive you? So learn to forgive. The hadith, and it's hadith Qudsi, and it's so actually a great warning. Allah says that he who cuts off his blood relations, Allah says that he will cut off his relations with that person. So make sure that no relations are cut with friends and family, with family especially, and with ties of blood and kin, and with friends also. In Ramadan, make it a practice, and then continue that practice throughout the year. Learn to forgive. Ask Allah for forgiveness. Ask people to forgive you. Even when you're wrong or you're right, it doesn't matter. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Allah guarantees Jannah for a person who, even though he was right, he forgave the other person, or he asked for forgiveness so that the friendship and the relationship may sustain. So use this time to forgive and forget, and inshallah Allah will also forgive us for our faults and also bring our families closer.